Hello, today I will show you how to fix Google Maps location sharing issues. So, first of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Then clear Google Maps cache. Go again into settings, then again into apps, and again find here Google Maps app. Scroll down until you see storage and here clear cache. Then go again to the settings and go to the apps tab. Scroll down until you see it and find here Google Maps. And here find the permissions and location and set it for all the time, and also enable use precise location. And then try to reset Play Store services. Go again into settings, go into search and type in apps, go into it and again in the search and enter Play Store. And here find storage, clear cache and clear data. Also try to update them. Go in the Play Store and find Google Maps here. And as you can see, we can update it. And then reinstall. And after all of this, let's check if location sharing works now. Go into Maps, into your profile and location sharing. And as you can see, it works very well. So yeah, now you know how to do it. So if you found this video tutorial useful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.